So as you can see right here that today I've already been able to generate $600 in just one of the accounts I collect money in. And in this video, I'm going to share with you exactly how to start doing paid traffic for affiliate marketing. Look, if you're someone that has a little bit of extra money and you want to invest and scale your business fast, you want to watch this video completely because I'm going to share two incredibly simple methods you can use without a lot of moving pieces to start getting clicks to whatever affiliate link you want to promote almost instantly. Now, before I reveal the very first step, if you want to discover my favorite way to make the most online, be sure to click the first link in the description to check out a free video revealing all. But without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into the very first step of today's training. Okay, now the first method I'm going to be sharing is called solo ads. Now, if you don't know what solo ads, I want to share with you some of the benefits of solo ads when it comes to paid traffic. And then I'm going to reveal exactly how they work and then how to actually purchase your first solo ad so you can start to get traffic as soon as today. Okay, so what are the benefits of solo ads? First off, like I said in the beginning, they have very few moving pieces. Okay, so unlike something like Facebook ads where you have to test a lot of images and copy and text, or other things like video, you have to test different intros and different transitions. This is incredibly simple and has very few moving pieces. Now, the other benefit is leads open emails. So if you're doing email marketing, maybe you're sending your leads to a capture page to actually collect that person's email address and follow up with them, then you want to understand with solo ads, these people will be opening emails to actually see our ads, so you know there are people that will open emails in the future, okay? So if you run Facebook ads and you get leads that way, they may never check their email inbox, especially if you're gonna follow up. It delivers almost instantly. So another benefit with solo ads is when you actually run these, you don't have to wait a long time. When you click purchase, they will start in many cases within a few hours. So it's a very fast and easy way to get a massive amount of paid traffic. And it's very easy to scale, okay? You can kind of track which vendor, which person that sells you these solo ads is working, and you can reinvest back into that person. Okay, so now that you understand the benefits of solo ads, I want to share with you how exactly solo ads work. So you can see right here, basically, people have a list of email addresses. So people online, affiliate marketers or other marketers, business owners, they've acquired a list of email addresses in a certain niche, okay? This could be health and fitness. It could be the make money online niche. They have these lists of prospects. And what you do is you go to one of those people and you say, hey, I'm gonna pay you a certain amount per click. So every time I pay you, let's say $1, they have to give you a click in their email to a certain link that you provide. So what happens is these people will send out an email with your affiliate link or whatever website you want to promote to their list of email addresses of prospects in a certain niche. And what happens is, they have to deliver the certain amount. So if you pay for 200 clicks, they will keep emailing their list of email addresses until 200 people open that email and click your link. So again, it's guaranteed traffic. And so then what happens is those people will click your affiliate sales page. And if you're promoting something that's high converting, that's good, then a portion are gonna actually buy, okay? So this is really how simple solo ads work. Again, it's really, really powerful. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna share with you one of the best places you can find solo ads to purchase, and then how to actually purchase your first solo ad. Okay, so what you wanna do is you wanna go over to a site called udemy.com, okay? And there's gonna be a link directly below where you can actually sign up for an account. Now, it's totally free to create an account. You just go ahead, put your name, email, and password, and then click sign up. You can also sign in with Google. Now, once you're inside of your account right here, and you can see that, I've definitely been purchasing these myself, okay? I practice what I preach. What you wanna do is you wanna go to the very top tab and click find sellers, because this is gonna list all these different sellers that we can choose from. Now, I will say with Udemy, it's mainly in the make money online, the online business niche. Okay, I know a lot of people that are watching this video are in that same niche. They want to promote make money online or entrepreneur type products. If you're in another niche, Facebook and Facebook groups, okay, you can actually search for solo ad vendors on Facebook groups and find different niches that way. But I want to stick with Udemy because it's definitely one of the most powerful. Now, you have all these different people. These are all people that will sell you solo ads. They all have big email lists and they will sell you ads. But we want to filter, okay? So you want to actually go in here and you want to filter results by certain things. So we're not just showing random people. So first off, ratings, okay? I like to sort by 300 plus because the more positive ratings, typically the better that person is, okay? So that's the first thing. We want to sort by 300 plus ratings. Max price, okay? This is the price per click, okay? And what I like to do is, anywhere from, typically $1.50 is pretty good, okay? And then what we want to do is we want to go here. This is crucial, okay? For got sales percent, this is what percent of people that bought from these vendors reported getting a sale. So again, the name of the game is how many people reported getting sales and how can we also buy from those people? Because if we buy from people that are getting other people's sales, chances are we'll get sales as well. So you could do 50%. There may be a lot less people. Okay, let's see how many vendors actually show up. Wow, so 37 sellers. So yeah, in this case, I would do 50. If it didn't show a lot, I could go to 30% or 40, less. But this is 50, meaning 50%. If there's 2 people, 1 out of 2 people have reported getting a sale. Okay, so that means they bought and then they actually made money, which is incredible. So 37 people. And then repeat orders. This is the only other thing sometimes I will do. Okay, so this is how many people actually bought again. Again, this is another good sign that this person is actually going to make you money if you purchase from them. So, you could do, 20%. You could kind of play around with that. Again, let's see how many. Okay, so 17. So that's still quite a bit of people. So now we have this criteria. Now these people are really the top rated and the best producing vendors, okay? But we still want to look a bit further. So let's open up, okay? Often, yeah, you can open up in a new tab. So you just want to open up typically the top person. And then what I like to do is I like to scroll all the way down and you will see comments, okay, right here. Okay, so these are actual people that have commented. Now I like to look at show more ratings so we can see all the recent comments. Now, the reason you want to do this is these people are typically pretty good because of the filters, but maybe in a while, maybe in the last month or two, their traffic, their email list is not so good. So we want to look at the last month or so, the last 30 to 60 days, I usually do about 30 days, on if people have reported getting sales. We want to look for about 3 people that have commented they've gotten a sale within the last 30 days. Because again, that tells us that this is probably good traffic and it's up to date. Okay, so you can see right here, again, at the time of recording, this is the time right here. So that's 1 person, good run, got a sale, so that's 1. Let's look for at least 2 more people. Not sure about the quality, got sales. Okay, so that's still at the time of recording, that's still not 30 days yet. So that's actually 2 people. Now let's see 1 more, and 1 sale. I ordered, I got 1 sale. Okay, so that's 3 people. So based on this criteria, I would purchase from this person. Okay, now again, don't just take my word. You want to do your own research based on the time, but based on what I'm sharing with you. If it all checked out, he had 3, people reporting sales, I would purchase from this person. So now we go back to their profile, and this is how you purchase a solo ad. You want to go down, and right here, you have a couple options, okay? First off, you can do only link. If you don't want to do anything at all, and you just want to send them your affiliate link, you could go only link, okay? And just literally paste in your link and they will write the email ad for you and send it out. And you don't even have to do anything but provide your link, okay? I do this a lot. Or if you want to actually write the email, you can do add text and then you can write in your own email and then you want to highlight, okay, where you want your link and then insert your affiliate link there. But let's say for the sake of this, I'll just do only link and I'll provide it there. And then what you want to do is you want to go here and you want to choose how many clicks. Now you can see clicks right here. This person provides 100 all the way up to 1,000 clicks. Okay, so you want to look now, how many clicks should you do? Now, if you have a lot of money, you may be tempted to go for 1,000 clicks. I recommend you do anywhere from about 200 to about 300 clicks your first time with someone, because you want to make sure they're good. You want to make sure they're actually going to be producing sales before you scale. Okay, so do a little bit, like I said, about 300 clicks, and then you can actually see if you want to reinvest. Now you can see this person has 43 cents per click. So for every time someone clicks, it's going to charge you 43 cents, which is actually incredibly cheap. Okay, and you can see the date right here. If you want to actually schedule it, you can choose whatever day you want. Sometimes the very next day is not available, so you can do that. Let's say this day here, okay? And then you can click continue. And then what you want to do is you want to actually look at the total. Okay, so $132, so that is 300 clicks for 43 cents a click, $132. And then you would just click checkout. Okay, and then you can just pay with a credit card or PayPal. Okay, and literally within the day or so, you will get an update through a message, and then they will tell you that it will start running, and you will start to see. And then again, you want to look, and you can see I've actually ordered from this person before, but you want to look and make sure that they got sales. Okay, wait a week or two, and then if they made you a sale, reinvest more money. Okay, now the second powerful way and method I want to share to get paid traffic is very similar to Udemy, but it's called traffic authority. Now, traffic authority is similar to solo ads, but it's a little bit more high quality, and this is specific for, again, home business niche and make money online. I'm going to include a link directly below that will take you to this page here. All you have to do is click create your free account, okay? Or if you're already a member, you can log in. Now, once you're inside traffic authority, you want to go to this tab here and go to traffic store and then buy traffic. Now, they have all these different traffic packages, okay? They have the basic, the bronze, the silver. You can see the amount of clicks right here. So the basic rather has 170 to 190, okay? The bronze has 340, 380. Obviously, the higher the package, the more clicks. And then you can see the price, okay? So the price right here is $220, 440, 660. So traffic authority is going to be a little bit more money per click, okay? But the quality tends to be a bit higher. So it's verified, okay? And a lot of these clicks are actually buyer traffic, which means these are people that have actually shown and been proven to buy products in the past. And the best people to market to are people that are proven to buy, okay? So that's why it's a little bit more expensive. Also, the delivery time is about 2 to 4 weeks. So this is more of a drip feed. So if you're someone that wants consistent traffic over the month, you can literally just go in here the first of the month. Let's say you buy, the platinum package, okay, which is very popular. You buy that, that's about, around 1,800 clicks. And then the rest of the month, you don't even have to really do anything because those clicks are just coming in consistently. Those leads are just piling in, okay? So that's an option you can definitely do. Once you select, let's say the platinum, okay, all you have to do is go to other website, okay? So you choose other website and then put in your affiliate link. So for example, let's say this was my affiliate link here. Order summary, you can look over that. You want to add a card, debit or credit card, put in that code, 3 digits. And then you can actually, if you want to start your own traffic, but typically I do ASAP, and then agree, and then place order. And then literally within the day or so, they'll verify the link, make sure everything's good, and then it will start running. And then you can actually look here into your active orders. Now, I don't have any active orders currently, but you would see them right there, and you could actually pause and change the link, which is really cool because a lot of places you can't actually change the link very easily. So there we have it, my friend. Those are 2 incredibly powerful paid traffic sources you can use today with very few missing pieces or moving pieces. Be sure to click the like button if you got value and subscribe so you never miss out on my latest videos. And also get my free video down below to reveal my #1 way to profit with affiliate marketing. It's secrets that people are keeping from you, and I really want you to check that out because I think you're going to be blown away at what you see. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.